Earth science video. Again, this Norse teaches science. We're in the Earth science video edition. We're still going to be talking about the lithosphere in this unit. I'm Mr. Norris, and today we're going to talk about plate classification. It really should not be a long video. It's just one of my quicker lectures, usually because in class we do a little plate puzzle, and it takes forever to do. Um, yes, I am talking about what I teach too. You guys, if you're one of my students, ignore this part. Um, you're going to be surprised when you get to class. Never mind. I digress. All right. Video goal today, I can describe how plates differ from one another. So we talked in a previous video about the theory of plate tectonics, and we're going to talk how plates interact with each other, but there are different types of plates out there. So let's talk about the top 7 plates. These are some of the bigger plates. You got the African plate, the Antarctic plate, the Eurasian plate, the Australian Indian plate, the North American plate, the Pacific plate, and the South American plate. They're usually the top 7 because you can look at their names and kind of tell where they're at. The other plates that we're going to talk about are the Arabian plate, the Caribbean plate, the Cocos plate, the Nazca plate, the Philippine plate, and the Skata plate. Now there are some little small plates out there and different little faults that go along with them. We're not going to talk about these are just the ones that we definitely know where they're exactly at. So if we look here are the major plates. You got the North American plate, you got the South American plate, the African plate. The Eurasian plate kind of incorporates Europe and Asia. You got the Pacific plate, that's the Pacific Ocean, the Australian plate here, the Antarctic plate here. The Juan de Fuca plate right here near North America, the Caribbean plate right at the Caribbean, the Cocos plate right off the coast of Central America, the Nazca plate right off the coast of South America, the Skata plate here, and the Philippine plate and Arabian plate. And again, there's other little small plates in here somewhere. We're just not going to label them. But these are Earth's major spheres. Thank you for the picture from Google. Now, classification of plates. Plates are either oceanic plates or continental plates. Oceanic plates are about 7 kilometers thick. Um, they're really thin. They're composed mainly of basalt. They're very dense, usually young rocks, and continental plate, 8 to 75 kilometers thick, composed mainly of granite. They're less dense than oceanic plates, and they're usually older rocks. But this is a little bit about the plates, a little bit of some basic information. But I hope you learned something today, and this is Mr. Norris, and he is signing out.